Okay, let's have a look here. The line M is parallel to N. Verify that A minus 2, 1 is on M. Okay, let's check that out. 2 times minus 2 plus 3 times 1 plus 1 equals minus 4 plus 3 plus 1, which equals 0. So we've shown that A is on M, and there it is there actually. Find the coordinates of B. The point on the line N closest to A. Bum, 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 bum. Now, I know one way to do it. It's the intersection of two lines. I'm just trying to think, is there a smart way to do it? See, I can easily know the slope of M. I can easily know the slope of the dotted line, and I can easily move across this line. The question is, can I easily know when to stop? I think not. I think the best way to do this is with just intersection of two lines, but I really just suspect there's a smarter, quicker way to do it. Let me pause this video for a few seconds and collect my thoughts. Yeah, the last time I did this question a couple of years ago, I did it as the intersection of two lines. So I find the equation of this line and intersect it with this line using simultaneous equations and solve for B. But, okay, if you look at M, you can see the slope here is equal to minus 2 over 3, which means the slope here is 3 over 2. So that means a point on this line will be the form minus 2 plus, let's say, t, and then 1 plus 3 over 2t. That is, you start here at minus 2, 1, and every time you go out t units, you go up 3 over t units. So if I sub that point into the line N and solve for t, I can get the point B. So what I'm doing is I'm moving along this line until I hit B. It's a different way of doing it. 2 times minus 2 plus t plus 3 times 1 plus 3 over 2t equals 51, minus 4 plus 2t plus 3 plus 9 over 2t equals 51. 13 over 2t equals 51 minus 3 plus 4. 13 over 2t, what's that, 52, isn't it? 52, right? And then multiply by 2, 39 and 13 is 52. 4. Oh yeah, 4 times. So I can divide both sides by, I'll multiply by 2, divide by 13, and that would be 8. So t is 8. So that means B is minus 2 plus 8, which is 6. And then 8, 4, 12, 13. 6, 13 for B. Okay. Got my B. Two touching circles S and T are shown in the diagram. M is a tangent and N is a tangent, and the ratio of the radius of S to the radius of T is 1 to 3. Find the equation of S. So I have A now. It's minus 2, 1. And I have B, 6, 13. And if it's in the ratio of 1 to 3, so that's like 1 unit, 1 unit, 1, 2, 3 units, and then 3 more units. 1, 2, I can't quite draw it small enough. Okay, so in total, there's 8 radii lengths here. So if I get the midpoint of AB, I'm here. If I get the midpoint again, I'm here. You could use the ratio formula, but I don't know that off the top of my head, and I'd have to look in the formula book. So if I just get the midpoint twice, first will get me here, and then again will get me here. So this midpoint, with, let's see, 6, that's 4, that's a 2, that's a 7. And then the midpoint again, between these two, that's a 0, that's a 4. Now, if I get the distance between this and half of it, so the distance there would be 4 plus 9, so that's root 13. So I have the radius here of S. And the center would be the midpoint again, so that's minus 1 and 5 over 2. So the equation of S would be x plus 1 squared plus y minus 5 over 2 squared equals 13. Hopefully that's right. No, that's not right. That's not right, because when I got the distance, I said it and I didn't do it. I forgot to divide by 2 when I got the distance between here and here. So that should have been over 2, which means that should have been over 4. Yeah, so yeah, it's x plus 1 and it's y minus 5 over 2. And yeah, so I just, that's really, and I said it and everything to divide by 2 and I forgot to do it. I should do what I say. All right, that's the end of that question. Now, not too bad of a question, really. Okay.